Hi there and welcome. In this video series, we'll take a look at how to use the timeline in WATCHOUT, the core feature where everything comes together to form your show. In this video, we'll focus on the essentials: how to create and manage your timeline, add media, and arrange your cues.
Let's begin with the basics. If you're in a new show, you'll see the main timeline open at the bottom of the screen. If it's not visible, go to the top menu and click on Window, then Timeline. This opens the Timelines window. There, you can double-click the main timeline to open it, or right-click and select Add Timeline to create a new one. You can also rename any timeline by selecting it and typing a new name in the Properties window. To build your show, just drag your media from the Asset window down into the timeline. You can place it onto any available layer. It's now referred to as a cue. Now you can move cues around freely between different layers to control how elements appear together, or drag them left and right to set the start time of each cue. You can also stretch a clip to make it last longer, or shorten it to fit your timing. This gives you control over when each element appears and disappears in your show. When media is placed on different layers, the one on the higher layer will appear in front of the one on the lower layer. So layers work like a stack. Whatever is on top is what you see in front. When two cues are placed on the same layer, they may overlap. This usually creates an unwanted situation. WATCHOUT will mark overlapping cues with a striped pattern to indicate the conflict. To fix it, simply move the cues apart until the pattern disappears. However, not all overlaps are a problem. A common exception is when you want to create a fade transition between two cues. You can do this by applying a fade out to the first cue and a fade in to the next. Then drag them to slightly overlap. This creates a smooth transition effect. To adjust the length of the transition, select the cue and change the fade duration from the Properties window. Don't forget to save your show regularly while making changes. You can do this by clicking File, then Save from the top menu, or by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. If it's a new show, WATCHOUT will ask you to enter a name for the show file and choose where to save it.
Let's quickly revisit the key points. You should now be able to open or create a timeline, drag in your media to form cues, adjust their timing in layers, and use fades to create smooth transitions. Thank you for watching.